are the showtimes for Dark Phoenix on June 8th after 9 p.m.
Get me 2 tickets for 10:35.
Okay, 2 adult tickets for the 10:35 p.m. show of Dark Phoenix on Saturday, June 8th at Regal Cinnabar Palace Station will be $21. Should I book the tickets?
Wait, how long is it?
Dark Phoenix is 1 hour and 52 minutes long.
Actually, what are the showtimes after 7 p.m.?
Here are the showtimes for Dark Phoenix on June 8th after 7 p.m.
Get me 2 tickets for the 7:05 show instead.
Okay, 2 adult tickets for the 7:05 p.m. show of Dark Phoenix on Saturday, June 8th at Regal Cinnabar Palace Station will be $21. Should I book the tickets?
Yes, please.
You will receive an email from Adam Tickets with your tickets. Will you be eating out near Regal Cinnabar Palace Station?
Yes, find me a Chinese restaurant.
Here are some Chinese restaurants near Regal Cinnabar Palace Station.
Tell me more about Mott 32.
Here's more information about Mott 32.
That looks good. Give me a table at 6 p.m.
Okay, you'd like a reservation for 2 at Mott 32 at 6 p.m. Should I book it?
Sure.
You will receive an email from Open Table with the details. Would you like a cab to Mott 32?
Yes. Get me an Uber.
Sure. I'll get you an Uber X for 2 from home to Mott 32, which will cost about $8. Is that okay?
Sounds good.
Your Uber X will pick you up at 5:42 p.m. Anything else?
Show me the trailer.
Now playing the trailer for Dark Phoenix.
Ladies and gentlemen of NASA, this is Charles Xavier. Help is on the way.